Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back today with a video that I've been wanting to make for a while now, a really long time, but I've in anything in life that if you haven't done yet, it's because you're procrastinating. So I decided to do this video today, and it's on literally just 5 of my favorite houseplants, and I have so many more. I think I live in a garden. I do feel like I live in the secret garden. When I come into my room, it brings so much life and light, and just I love my room. I love the space that I've made for myself. You need to do this. My room, my home is my sanctuary when I come here. Alright, enough of the rambling. I wanted to come on here and do a video on 5 of my favorite plants that I own. Actually, there's one more that I'm not going to show right now. But I'm gonna leave, actually I'm gonna count down 6, not 5, 6. And I'm gonna just, not in any order, but just know these plants, I love them so much. And I can tell you maybe how long I've had them. Some I don't remember, some I do. But yeah. Okay, so not in any order. It is my money tree. I guess I'll put their names, their genius and their kingdom and their class names here. But this is my money tree. I've had this for a few years now. And it's grown like crazy. When I had it, it stopped around here. And you see how much the branch itself has grown. And actually when I purchased this, it was sick. I purchased a sick plant. And I guess, yeah, it was 6, so one of them actually died, but I keep it still attached to here. It looks beautiful on the base. I'm not gonna like just rip it out because it's dead. It no longer requires any energy to keep it alive, so it's just their aesthetics wise. Eventually, maybe maybe next spring, hopefully I will try to repot this and give it a bigger space. Currently my room, I don't live in a big, I don't sleep in a big room, so I don't have a lot of space for these plants. So some of them, even the ones I'm not showing you, I feel like there's something on my nose, like cat hair, sits on my air conditioner. But, God, this is gonna be a long video, I'm so sorry. But yeah, so not in any particular order is my money tree. And I keep inside of here, these are fire rocks. So I have 2 of them. They're from Haiti because I'm Haitian. That's not because why they're from Haiti. I'm Haitian and I got them when I was in Haiti. So I like to over explain things. Yeah, fire rocks, you light things, you smack these together, smack, and they spark and they create fire. So I have these in here. Next one is my pothos. This one is called Amanda. Some of my plants are named, some aren't. The newer ones have names, the older ones not so much. This is Amanda. In undergrad, I did nannying for some time, and one of the families were moving out of the country, and they passed Amanda on to me, and I've been taking amazing care of her. She's beautiful, she's thriving, she's living, and I love her. She's amazing. So pothos, Amanda. This one has variegation. This side doesn't have variegation, and I'm so happy about that. Moving up in size now is my Monstera Deliciosa. This is Fergus. When I first got it, my cat started to chew on it. She doesn't do that anymore. I know these plants are harmful to pets. She doesn't do that anymore. Monstera deliciosa. I took such bad care of this plant and it's still here. Like, I literally just neglected it. I put it in a corner. I underwatered it. This is a great plant for people who have problems with growing plants. I don't have that, so I think that's why I was able to keep alive a complex plant like this and always have like annual growth with it. Actually, I lied. I've only had this plant for a year and it's grown a lot in the year that I've had it. So, I mean, I say annual growth. This 1 year it's grown a whole lot. It was much, like, you see these big leaves? It was much smaller. Like, I only had these like small leaves when I purchased it. So, like, so imagine how like gigantic this has gotten in my east-facing window. Alright, next, I'm not gonna be able to move these, but I guess I'll just put a clip and do like the voice part right now. I don't know the name of this plant and I actually have not named it because it's an older one. This is, I think, my first plant that I've actually taken care of. This plant is honestly at least 10 years old and it's amazing. It's the size that it is because I don't have more space for it. And oddly enough, there are two different plants in here and I do not know the names of either of them. But they both are amazing. They both have beautiful variegation. And I love just everything about it. It's beautiful. They're huge. They bring so much greenery into my space. And yeah. And this is actually my the youngest plant that I own. This is Balthazar. He's a bird of paradise, white bird of paradise, I believe. And he's growing. He's beautiful. I actually have another one who's much younger than him that I purchased online. And it's grown insanely. When I tell you this plant has grown insanely in the last, again, I guess year since I purchased it, for when I first bought it, it's just done wonders for itself and for me, and I just feel like such a proud plant mom. And this one is my baby. This plant has gotten so mistreated. 1 month I went away and I had my friend pet sit for me and he didn't water my plant for an entire month and it all died. The whole entire thing just died. But I came back and I nurtured it back to life and it's been so happy ever since. It definitely needs more space. This is another plant. I don't know its name and I also have not given it a name. I think this is like an elephant ear plant or I don't know. And if you know the names of these plants that I don't know the names of, please leave them in the information comment box. Right, that's what they're, yeah, the comment section. Please, and let me know the names of them because I can't be on here talking about what I love and I don't even know what it's called. Okay? I hate that. Excuse me for doing that. But yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos about plants, let me know. I would love to do more videos about plants. I love plant videos. They're amazing. And I can actually give you a tour of the plants in my room, and then I can even do like another time other rooms in my home that my mother and I take care of our plants. Well, they're my plants actually, but anything that's not in my room we take both care of. But yeah. So yes guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I would love if you join my little cookie family. Any comments, questions, or concerns that you have, tips, leave them down in the information box below for me. Comment section. Why do I keep saying information box? How long is this video? Wow, good job. This is shorter than I thought. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, if you want to see anything else, let me know, alright? I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Reveal.